Today we will see what are all the roles and responsibilities of your engineering team in creating an AI application. Oftentimes there is a misconception that AI applications are solely developed by AI engineers and data scientists, which is not true. Actually, in fact, if you ask me, my opinion is AI applications are actually developed by product engineers, backend engineers. They are the one who actually take prototype to production. Majority of the work actually happens within the product development. How? In a typical AI application, once the product requirement is there, the AI engineer will be involved, and the AI engineer will actually go through what is the requirement and what are all the data sources we have, and they will then involve backend engineer as well as data science people as well as data engineer, so that they will create a ETL pipeline like, okay, I have these data sources, and for these data sources these are the transformation I want, and based on that they will expose it as AI agent. Now while exposing it as AI agent, the actual duo that actually do this process is going to be backend engineer as well as the AI engineer. They will decide how they are going to expose this API. Yeah, whether they are exposing it to a system like background job or cron jobs or even pubsub environment, or are they going to expose it directly to the user? In my opinion, that is not a good idea, but sometimes that might happen as well. Or are they going to expose it to the backend system, so that backend system will read it and expose it as a streaming API? Now the backend engineer's role will be very, very critical in this. They will be the one who will decide along with the AI engineer about security, compliance, and reliability, latency, accuracy, and probably accuracy and latency falls under both. So they will work as a team and improve on that. But timeout, how to handle timeout for AI APIs and all those things will be decided by the production engineer, so that that will be taken as a production grade application. So oftentimes there is a misconception that AI engineer is the one who will do end to end. It is not the same. In startups, probably that is true. AI engineer will wear a lot of head to do end to end process. But in large scale systems, there are many, many different engineers, especially the product engineers, the backend engineers who will be involved to create the magic. Thank you.